Welcome everyone to Kitchen Innovation, where you'll find new ways to cook traditional food, or any kind of food for that matter, through simple techniques, methods, recipes, cookware and appliances you may already have or been thinking about getting, and using them to their fullest potential at home to prepare and cook delicious meals, such as
a personal-sized breakfast pizza made from a biscuit dough. This is a simple biscuit recipe with just a few ingredients that you can change or personalize to your taste. First, let's start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a bowl with 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, to which we will add 1/4 cup of cream, warmed to about 90 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit in order to separate the butter fat. We will then mix it together just enough to incorporate all the ingredients. Next, we'll add 1/2 cup of cold water, 1/4 cup of whole milk, 2 teaspoons of melted or clarified butter, and 2 teaspoons of honey for taste and browning. Now mix them all together and form a ball of dough. Let it rest for a few minutes, after which we can then cut it into 4 parts. Now we can form 4 smaller dough balls. At this point, we can begin working the dough into a flat, round pizza shape, using a rolling pin or using our hands to form a puffy crust along the outer rim of the dough. It won't stretch quite like a regular pizza dough, but it will still take shape to the size you want and still puff up like a pizza due to the leavening of the baking powder and still have that great rustic homemade biscuit quality and taste. The next thing to do is to add the pizza sauce, which for this breakfast pizza can be any flavors of jam or preservatives. We can also use a cream gravy for that home-styled flavor, or spice it up with a mild, medium, or hot salsa. All of these go great as a base for a normal, tasty breakfast anywhere in the world, and makes a delicious and flavorful base to this style of pizza. We can pre-bake the sauce into the pizza, or just make the entire pizza with toppings at one time depending on when it is to be served. Speaking of toppings, there are many breakfast items that we can use, but for now we'll just top it with these items: eggs that have been boiled or scrambled, bacon bits, sausage, and any style of your favorite shredded cheese. We can also use peppers, potatoes, or any other kinds of breakfast foods we want. To bake it, we can place it on a baking sheet or a piece of foil sprayed with a cooking spray and place it into an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 20 minutes, or until the crust browns to desired taste and the cheese has fully melted. The crust will have that puffy texture and delicious taste that you expect from a great homemade biscuit. Now we can then slice it and enjoy a delicious, simple, easy-to-eat pizza pie, great for breakfast or any time of the day or night.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more Kitchen Innovation.